Hello 5th standard students, your maths class. Today we are doing exercise 4.3. Your first main question is add the following fractions. In previous exercise you have come across fractions, proper, improper, mixed fraction, everything you come across in previous exercises. In this exercise we have to add the first main is add the following fractions. A question, 41 by 53 and 15 by 53. These are the two fractions and you have to add. Solution, write the given fractions. 41 by 53, add means put plus sign, plus 15 by 53. See, in these two fractions denominators are same. How much is the denominator? 53. Here also 53, in this fraction also 50. Denominators are same. So when denominators are same, LCM will be the same number. So this is the LCM 53. Put line like this. Denominator will be 53. Now what you have to do is compare this. Here 53 is there, 53. 53 ones are like this. 53. Next this is also 53 ones are. So what will be the numerator now? 41 ones are 41 plus 15 ones are 15. 41 plus 15 how much? 56. So numerator is 41 plus 15, 56 by 53. This is the sum. When you add these two you will get 56 by 53. This is called the sum. B question, similarly same. Here you can see, write the given fractions. Solution, 64 by 125 plus 31 by 125. Denominators are same. So when denominators are same, LCM will be the same given number. So 125 is the LCM. This LCM 125 you should write in the denominator. Put a line like this by 125. Compare 125. See, 125, here also 125. 125 ones are 125. This one you should write in the numerator. Multiply with this afterwards. Here also 125, here also 125. So 125 ones are. So next step what you have to do? Denominator is 125. Numerator will find 64 ones are 64 plus 31 ones are 31. Add the numerators. 64 plus 31, 95 by 125. This is the answer. Sometimes, every time denominators will not be same. They will change. See, in C question, 15 by 21 and 11 by 42. Here denominators are not same. Denominators are not same. So that time, in such cases what you have to do? You have to find the LCM of these two denominators. So solution, how you write? 15 by 21 plus 11 by 42. Denominators are different. So their LCM you have to find. 21 and 42 LCM is 42. Because 21 2s are 42. So LCM is 42. So compare these two. 21 and 42. 21 into how much is 42? Here I wrote C. 21 2s are 42. This 15 into 2 you have to write here. Plus. See, 42, here 42. 42 ones are, you will get this 42. So afterwards, these two multiply. 11 ones are 11. So you have to show this multiplication. Next step, 15 into 2 you have to put plus 11 into 1. By 42. Here 15 2s are 30 plus 11 ones are 11. 30 plus 11 is 41. So numerator is 41 by 42. This is the answer. Next D question also same. Denominators are different. You have to find the LCM. So solution 34 by 16 plus 11 by 20. Find the LCM of 16 and 20. So how you find in LCM? In third chapter we have done about LCM. Write the given numbers. Denominator 16, 20. 16 and 20 will come in two tables. 2 8s are 16, 2 10s are 20. 8 and 10 again come in two tables. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. 4 and 5 they come in separately. So take 4, 4 1s are 4, 5 as it is. Next 5 tables, 5 1s are this one as it is, 5 1s are 5. So LCM is multiplying these now digits. 2 into 2 into 4 into 5. So LCM you see 2 into 2 into 4 into 5 is equal to, you will get 80. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 5s are 80. So this is the LCM. This 80 you should write in the denominator. Put line like this, write it in the denominator. This will be the denominator. Now compare with this 16 and 80. 16 into how much 80? 16 5s are 80. So that 5 you should multiply with this 34 into 5. See here, this numerator 34 into 5, or if you forget means here only first write 16 5s are 80. Next here 20 is there. 20 into how much 80? 24s are. So 24s are 80. Now multiply 34 into 5. Show here, next step, put is equal to 34 into 5 plus 11 into 4. Multiply 34 5s are 170 plus 11 4s are 44. Add these two numerators, 170 plus 44. You will get 214 by 80. So every step you must put is equal to. Understood? So 214 by 80. So you should remember, whenever denominators are different, you should find the LCM. When the denominators are same, as you see here, you directly the LCM will be the same number, which is the denominator. Understood? Next, second main question is subtract the following fractions. Same as you did here. In first main you have done addition. Here is subtraction. But steps are same. A, 42 by 79 from 68 by 79. So you have to subtract 42 by 79 from 68 by 79. So solution, write this first, 68 by 79 minus, because 68 by 79 is the bigger fraction when compared to 42 by 79. So write this first, minus 42 by 79. See, denominators are same, so the LCM will be the number itself, that is 79. So 79 ones are here, easy it is, 79 ones are 79. This is also 79 ones are 79. Multiply 68 ones are 68. Put minus, because subtraction. 42 ones are 42. 68 minus 42 is how much? 68 minus 42 is 26 by 79. Similarly, B question also same. Write the big fraction first. 97 by 123 minus 74 by 123. Denominators are same. So LCM is the number itself, 123. Here also 97, 123 ones are. Here also 123 ones are. Put is equal to, write the numerators, 97 into 1, 97. Minus 74 ones are 74. 97 minus 74 is 23 by 123. This is the answer. C question. See 70, what is that? 7 by 15 from 13 by 20. So 13 by 20 big fraction first, right? Minus 7 by 15. Here see, denominators are different. You should find the LCM of the denominators. As you did in third chapter, finding the LCM, 20 comma 15. 20 and 15 come in 5 tables. 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15. 4 and 3 are independent. So individual, 4 1s are 4, 3 as it is. Next this 3 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3. 5 into 4 into 3. So LCM is equal to 5 into 4 into 3. 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60. So this 60 LCM you should write it in the denominators here. Put a line like this and write it in the denominator. Now compare this 60 with these denominators. 20 into how much 60? 23s are 60. So that 3, if you forget, that's why you can write here with pencil. 23s are, this 60 will come. Next 15 into how much this 60? 15 4s are 60. Afterwards, next step what you have to do? You have to multiply this numerator. 13 into 3. 13 into 3 minus 7 into 4. 13 3 is a 39 minus 7 4 is a 28 by 60 is equal to 39 minus 28 is 11. 11 by 60. This is the answer. Same way D question, 8 by 24 from 11 by 16. So 11 by 16 is the big fraction, write it first, minus 8 by 24. 16 and 24 are, the denominators are different. Find the LCM, 16 and 24. 16 and 24 will come in 4 tables. 4 4s are 16, 4 6s are 24. 4 and 2 will come in 2 tables. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 2 and 3 are independent, so 2 1s are 3 as it is. Next 3 1s are. So multiply these. 4 into 2 into 2 into 3. See here, LCM is equal to 4 into 2 into 2 into 3. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. 48 is the LCM. This 48 LCM you should write in the denominator. Put a line like this, down right. This is the denominator. Now compare this LCM 48 with 16. 16 into how much is 48? 16 3s are. This 3 you have to multiply with the numerator. Next. So 16 3s are 48. Next is 24 and 48. Compare. 24 into how much is 48? 24 2s are 48. Now step, put is equal to and multiply the numerators. 11 into 3, put minus 8 into 2. Next step is multiply. 11 3s are 33 minus 8 2s are 16. 33 minus 16 by 48 is equal to 33 minus 16 is nothing but 17. 17 by 48. This is the answer when you subtract. This is how you have to solve the problems, whether it is addition or subtraction. This will complete the exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.4 we'll do in the next class. Understand the solution, easy it is. Only practice you have to do, write neatly in the maths CW. Exercise 4.4 will start in the next class.